Howdy guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at the multi-to-one feature found under our layering mini series, and this will be done within PrintUP software. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, back in the program here. So now by default, if multi-to-one is enabled, then what's going to happen is going to print the multiple extruders into one object, that's when we get that nice layering effect of the blue, black, blue concept. What you can do is if we go to preferences under our main menu, then I'm just going to quickly fix my zoom here. Then we go here to printer, and then under printer, the first tab, you'll see at the bottom here, we've got this multi-to-one. Now, currently it's enabled. So if I had to select a layer, and you will look here at the bottom by the model info, we've got extruder option. So if I click this, we only have the left extruder available. I'm going to click on the right object and look there, also only the left. But now if I go to preference, printer, and I disable this, say OK. Now we are able to, under this, the extruder option, select right or left. So you can, for instance, select the next letter and perhaps make it a right. So it uses the other extruder for one extruder for one letter and another for another, which is quite convenient. Just remember though, if you're done using it, go back to preferences and you want to use multiple layers, you just go here and re-enable the multi-to-one. But yeah, otherwise that is it. Oh yeah, and don't forget, just make sure then if you've done that, go back to your actual extruder at the bottom here and select the left layer again, because it won't do it by default. Yeah, otherwise that is it on the actual multi-to-one layer feature. Otherwise, if we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request the training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.